As I said to you when you did the last activity about adding titles to seasonal videos, you needed to save this project so that we can then add text effects on the titles in this project. With the project on the screen, I went up and clicked on the button called Effects, and you're going to see the Effects menu over on the right hand side. I'm going to open Video Transitions, and in this case I'm going to open Dissolve, and what I'm going to simply do is drag the cross dissolve video transition over to the beginning of the fall text. Now you can see if you put at the very beginning a small green or colored box shows up that you know it's in the right place, and I'm going to let go. What happens at this point is that when the text comes on the screen, it fades onto the screen. Now you can take, I just clicked on that small transition, up in Effects, you can increase the duration of that if you want to. I'm going to increase it to 2 seconds so that it will take 2 seconds to come into the screen as compared to the 1 second before. Now to finish that up, I'm going to just click on the cross dissolve, put it on the end of the title, and when it comes up to that part of the title, it fades out again. So that's a text effect. Any type of these effects that you want to modify, you click right on the effect and it will bring it up in the effects control panel, and you'll be able to modify it in a number of different ways. Okay, let's go over to the winter text. We'll try something different. Let's try a slide effect, and I'm going to put split effect over on winter. There's this small box that lights up. So now the split effect. Okay, now if you saw how that comes up, if you want to get creative with this, you can modify the way that this text comes up on the screen and what color it uses to do that and all that. But at this point, what I'm going to do, click on split again and just put it at the end of your text so that when the text gets to the end, okay, and it splits apart. Now let's go to spring. Let's do a wipe. Let's try zigzag blocks. I'm going to put zigzag blocks in the beginning. So at this point, okay, it came in erratically, which is just fine. It's different. I'm going to put it at the end also so that it disappears like that. Finally, I'm going to go to zoom and do cross zoom on summer in the beginning and at the end. So when we go up to summer, it zooms in and then it should zoom out. And there we go. So that's how you add a text effect to your text. Now this is just the first step. There's a tremendous number, if you look on YouTube, there are a tremendous different array of text effects that you can create in Premiere. This just gives you a quick ability to make your text not static on your video clip, to add a little bit of visual interest. Okay? If you've added the text effects to your for text, then you're all done.